Pawpaw, Sammy, and Alley-Bug here. Today is the final cleanup on my wax and my containers for my honey. I'm working so hard. Look at them. They're everywhere. Cleaning that wax for me. And when they go through it there, I'll put it in my solar distiller and get that wax cleaned up. And there's profit, baby. They having a ball. I can't believe those bees. Relaxing. You're looking at 65 pounds of pure, undiluted honey. Pawpaw, Sammy, and Alley-Bug here. There's no way you can clean those trays as fast as those bees have. In 2 hours, they stripped them down to nothing. This is why you get natural pollinators. You need them. They'll make your little garden come out beautiful. Pawpaw, Sammy, and Alley-Bug here. We're at Natchez Under the Hill, and they are planting wildflowers on the ridge right under the hill, on the banks of the Mississippi River. And you look out across there, and they got all those barges parked on the side. So traffic's kind of light today. It's Memorial Weekend.